This video is about a very important kind of mathematics called algebra. But first, I'm going to tell you a story. Once upon a time, there were two letters, and they lived inside the words apple and berry. And these letters were the letters A and B. Then one day, A said to B, "I'm bored living in a word. I want to try being a number." "Good idea," said B. "You can be 3 and I'll be 4. So this is what they decided on. A is going to be 3 and B going to be 4. So we want to remember those if we can. And now we're going to do some algebra. Let's try A plus B. Well, A is 3 and B is 4, so it's 3 plus 4, and that makes 7. Now what about B minus A? Well, B is 4 minus 3 for A, and that's easy enough. 1. Next, let's have just A and a number. A plus 1. A is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now this is an interesting one. 2 times B. Two and B multiplied together. Well, in algebra we have a shorthand way of writing this. We just write it 2b without the times. Now we couldn't do that if we were just doing numbers, because we'd have a 4 for the b and it would look like 24 instead of 2 times 4. But in algebra we can do it like that, don't need the times. Just remember 2b means 2 b's, or 2 times b. Well, 2 times b is 2 times 4. You just got room. 2 4s are 8. Last one. Now this is real algebra. How about 2a plus b? Well, let's do this straight off. 2 a's is 2 3's, which is 6, plus b, which is plus 4, and 6 and 4 make 10. Then one day A said to B, "I'm bored again. I'm fed up being 3. I want to be 9 now, and it's a bigger number. OK, replied B. You be 9 and I'll be 5 and my friend C will be 2. So let's write all that down. A is now 9. B is now 5. He's increased his by 1. And his friend C is 2. So we must try and remember these now, because we're going to do a bit more algebra with these. B plus C. Well, let's try and do less writing this time. B plus C will be 5 plus 2, won't it? Which is 7. B minus C. Will be 5 minus 2. Take away 2 from 5, what have you got left? 3. B plus 2. So poor old A and C are not getting a look in on this one. That's 5 plus 2, isn't it? Because B was 5. Which is 7 again. Let's have all 3 letters joining in. A plus B plus C. They're having a party. Well, let's do the A plus B bit first. A plus B. That will be 9 plus 5. Well, 1 from that will make a 10, so 14. So that's the A plus B bit. And then we've got plus C, and C's 2. And that makes 14, 15, 16. The last one is an interesting one. C times itself. Right, now just as with that and that, we've got a shorthand now in algebra. We can write C times itself as C squared. That's the way we say it, C squared. And the little 2 high up here tells us we haven't just got one C, we've got 2 of them multiplying each other. Well, working it out is easy because C times itself is the same as 2 times itself, or 2 2's. And that is 4. That's all for now. The letters are going back to their words for a rest, because it's hard work being numbers, isn't it? Bye.